Hi everyone, I'm Henrik, Managing Director of the HX Foundation. At HX, we believe exploration comes with responsibility. That's why we created the HX Foundation, to protect the place we visit and support the communities that welcome us. We focus on 3 key areas where we can make the greatest difference: protecting endangered species, tackling plastic waste and marine litter, and supporting local communities. I would like to introduce you to a few of the inspiring organizations that we are currently supporting through the HX Foundation. One of our longest standing partnerships is with the Association of Greenlandic Children. This incredible organization helps create safe spaces where young people can grow, build confidence, and look towards the future. We also fund the research of renowned whale scientist Dr. Ari Friedlander and the California Ocean Alliance. Additionally, our ships provide access to remote parts of the Southern Ocean, helping to protect whale populations and Antarctic ecosystems. UK-based Surfers Against Sewage mobilizes communities to tackle plastic pollution, a key issue for the HX Foundation. Their work not only removes pollution, it also generates data that drives real change in how plastic waste is managed. In the Philippines, home to many of our crew members, through our partnership with the OSM-AD Foundation, we build solar-powered learning centers in remote communities, providing children with access to education and opportunity for a better future. In the Scottish Isles, we partner with the RSPB, the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. They are working with specially trained dogs to locate invasive predators that threaten endangered seabird populations. Through our partnership with SOOP, our ships collect vital ocean data using onboard sensors, helping scientists better understand the changes happening in our seas. In the Galapagos, Fundación Jocotoco protects endangered wildlife and ecosystems, helping species like the Galapagos petrel recover and thrive. Finally, one of the most unique initiatives we support is our award-winning Rapid Response Fund. This initiative allows our ships to respond immediately when we encounter urgent environmental or community needs during a voyage, delivering direct support when and where it is needed the most. And it is only possible because of the generosity of our guests. HX covers all the Foundation's operational costs, so every donation goes directly to the projects we support. Together, we've donated more than 2 million euros to over 200 projects across 25 countries, supporting vital research, conservation, and communities. By investing in these areas, exploration can leave a positive impact on the places we visit and the people who call them home.